Hello, this is Peter the Penguin, and back again for another Character Design Quarterly magazine. And I can't wait for this. It feels like ages since the last one for some reason. But this is probably one of my favourite times of the year, when we get a new Character Design Quarterly magazine. And this should hopefully be issue number 25, I do believe. I think it's 25. Yeah, it is. So let's get into this one here. Plop. So lilDENNiS is bringing us, that was the last issue, that was issue number 24. So that's what the last one looked like. It was purple and yellow. But this one here was issue number 23. And what I liked about this one was the story. It's all about like a story, that one. But my favourite cover so far, out of all of the Character Design Quarterly magazines, is this one, issue number 6, by the artist Lawson. And I've got a feeling nothing is ever going to beat this one. It's so beautiful. For me, that's perfection. So Peter the Penguin's going to get us into this one, and the first question we've got to ask is, what colour? Look at that! Look, Peter's got a thing stuck on his head there. What colour do you reckon it is? Oh, it's an orange one, look. It's an orange. And, well, let's turn it out this way. Actually, let's do it this way. Oh, look, purple again. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's brilliant. Look, that's cool. Hee. I love this. That's still my favourite, I can tell. But this is brilliant. I'm not sure about the orange border. I suppose the orange goes... I would have made the border purple, I think. But here's the full thing, look. Ah, what a cool character. And we got a little, he's got a little sidekick there, look. That is brilliant. What I love about this is it's funny. And look at the cool brush strokes there, look. You can feel like the furriness of him. So my favourite, see this one here is like a story cover, but my favourite covers are always character focused ones. So for me I feel like this is in the top 3 of my favourite covers. What I'll have to do is at some point I'll have to do a video of my top 5 Character Design Quarterly magazine covers or something. But this is brilliant. So one of the best things about this thing is it's inspirational and fun. So little Peter the Penguin's going to get us in. Ooh. Yeah, that is a very strange colour to have gone with that cover. Look how sort of like simple and sexy it is though. The presentation. Creature Teeth. Huh. Lorenzo Etherington. I know him. He did the Procreate book. How to do Procreate. I love that cover. So what I do on these is I'll just go through them for the first time. That's a beautiful character as well, look. And just see what we think. Lynn Chen. So this is the thing, you see, you can go and look into this artist now. Because I love that character. For me, that is just fun. That is pure fun, that is. Especially like the sort of connection of these two characters as well. It's brilliant. Yay! See what I mean? We've obviously got a reoccurring character here or something. I wonder what their name is. I think he's called Chillax. Huh. But it says Chillax with Friends. I want to know what this little character's called. Look, they said, this issue's delightful cover. That is a very nice word, actually. To sum it up. It's fun. Fun and delightful. Ah, look, Peter's got some, I think that hair there is from my wig. So I've been going out taking photos a lot lately. So there's lots of wig hairs everywhere. Oh, this artist is brilliant. Your animal designs are so full of life and personality, yeah. But I also love the, I like the textures of the brush strokes. These are absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, cool, look, we've got the sketches and thumbnails. Oh look, he had his tongue out. Ah, look, they changed it slightly. It's interesting to me, seeing the, seeing how the thing changes. Oh, I was listening to SVS Learn, the podcast, 3-Point Perspective, and the artist on there was saying about, what I love sketches because the sketches are more full of life, and as you sort of finish a drawing or painting, it sort of loses a bit of the life of it. And what this artist said, what they do is, when they've finished the drawing, they actually get the sketch that they've done, put the sketch on top of their finished drawing, and they pull some of the lines from the sketches and put them back into the finished drawing. So what it does is it puts a bit more energy into the finished drawing, which I thought was quite a cool little sort of technique or something. That's got to be one of the most fun characters ever. Circus du Soleil with David Navarro. Got little sketches here, look. So, oh, this must be like a family of clowns or something. You've got the dad. This is another, look how cool this it is when you see everybody's different style. You've got the mum. So you've got a super thin dad and a fat mum. You would have thought normally it's the other way round. That's quite interesting. And you've got a little child with a little rabbit coming out of their hat. I think my favourite character out of these is actually the rabbit. The know-it owl. The know-it owl takes flight. He looks a bit sort of aggressive. Yeah, not very friendly. Nice big shapes though. Hey, Simone Grünewald. Artist Catchup. I've got one of her books, she's brilliant. I did a little catch up with her. Welcome back to Character Design Quarterly. Can you catch us up on your art journey so far? She's brilliant, she is. Look at that, look. How cool is that, look? There's so much like energy in her characters. You can feel like the wind in that one. That's cool. Look, that's actually in the sketchbook. Traditional. Wonder what that was made in. That looks a bit like Saltram, the local woods that I go to. Pretty. Characters with a story to tell. Alex Relloso. He's quite cool. Oh like him. Oh, I like this artist. Again, there's a lot of fun going on here. Got a dragon, look. Huh. Dragon question mark. It's like a big fat... It's almost like a fish dragon. Oh, see, I want to look into that artist as well. How I Stylise, Jennifer Voigt. I like this character. It's got a sort of a Japanesiness to it. Almost like sort of Studio Ghibli. Yeah, I really like it. I mean, look at how beautiful this presentation is on this page with the colours. I love that. Here we go, look, lilDENNiS' favourite, he likes this bit, the gallery. Fox. I keep seeing foxes around here in the morning. When I go to work, 5 o'clock in the morning, there's little foxes running around. Look, virtual. Ah, that's quite interesting. I like that. Look, he's not really that character. Well, he is, but he's not. He's a little skinny bloke in virtual reality. Yeah. Hey, Sid the Seagull. That reminded me of Aquaman. That's what I thought when... Look at his nose, look. Big nose. Ah! There's normally more than that. I suppose they've left you wanting more. Look at these skeletons, look. Look, friendly skeletons. Huh. That's quite cool, actually. Sting like a bee. Anastasiia Platoshyna. I like the little fang. That's again like the Japanese video games. The character. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. Look at these. I love pages like this because you can copy these in your sketchbook. These are cool little characters. Oh, this is brilliant. Yeah, there's a mischievousness to these. Sort of a naughtiness. All the different colours. Poison ivy. Huh. Cool, I like that. You've got the thumbnails. What a cool article this is. Height of one head. This is another artist I'd like to look into. Meet the artist Kendell. Is that like a monkey, a demoned monkey or something? He looks a bit like those Raven Rabbids things. These are quite funny, these characters. I like the thick outlines. It's almost sort of making it look like they're made of paper or something. Setting the mood. Got a froggy. Oh, cool, look. Different lightings. I actually quite like him without any lighting. One final adventure. Look at that beautiful pose there, look. That's cool, look. Because they both got the same hats on, you sort of, that's like connecting them together. I like coloured pencil sketches. I love this character. Look, otters are very beautiful shapes really, aren't they? It's quite cool because the otter is very flowing and sexy, and the bloke's very stiff, and so there's quite a nice little balance going on there. Oh, that's beautiful. I almost want to colour that in. That's the finished thing. Look, oh look, they've got a they got to their destination. Yeah, I like that. Oh, it's finished. Here's the beautiful artists in this one. Simone Grünewald, look. Dun, dun, dun. I love this bit, seeing all the different artists. Alex and Jennifer. Hello. Cool. And we finish with more creature teeth. I'm sure the first one was creature teeth, wasn't it? Yeah. You normally get something different. And that's that thing there, look. Plop. Everyone is unique. Our different experiences, interests and inspirations all contribute to our creations. Lynn, Chen. And that's how we finish it. Well, I am never disappointed with these Character Design Quarterly magazines. And issue 25. That's mental, isn't it? 25 of these beautiful things. Yeah. I really hope you enjoyed that. I thought it was brilliant. Like I said, oh, this artist here, I can't wait to look into this artist, Lynn Chen. So I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 25 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine by 3DTotal Publishing. And I shall see you later for another one.